All right, how's it going, everybody? Jason Lavancha here from RealTourVision.com with a changelog update, May 13th, 2021. I know it's been a while since we did our last changelog. I wanted to get caught up. As many of you know, we've been very busy working on updating the system, preparing the system for our new payment collection, job scheduling, and there's a lot here today to get caught up on. So this video is actually for the change log, so let's get started. I've got several things to touch on from March, April, and May. So in March, we launched our new Dropbox integration. So those of you that are using an outside editor, you're gonna love this. This is your way to send your photos to your editor sends them back, and they synchronize with your tour folder. So for those of you that are as excited as I am about the new payment collection, job scheduling, yes, our system takes an editor into consideration in your workflow. So it's a big part of it. More on that in a bit. Also in March, we announced photo only delivery or media only delivery projects for $3. This means no property websites included. This means no virtual tour is included. This is just delivering, scheduling, and picking and delivering media, photos, videos to your clients. So more on that in a moment. In April, we launched some new search improvements on our global search feature that we added in the new system, as well as the new delivery site. I'm going to be showing you a lot about delivery site. Delivery site is your primary method of delivering your photography, your videos, your social media videos, your edge marketing tools, your upsell, all of that to your client in a real easy fashion. Delivery site gets you ready to collect payment for your photos. It gets us ready for you to upsell. Maybe you overshot the property. Maybe you did some daylight to twilight conversions and wanted to throw those on there, but wanted to put a price tag on them. So delivery site gets us ready for all that. It also allows the client real soon to click and book with the new booking system. So delivery site, we're going to drill down into that today, but that's going to really be your primary delivery method. It does a lot of stuff, which we'll talk about in a moment. In April, we also allowed those of you that are doing walkthrough videos, drone videos, to purchase more video time with the click of a button. So we're going to show you where that is today. In April, we also started auto-filling the deliverable section, whether it's delivery links or delivery site. When you go to deliver, your client's email's waiting for you. So a lot easier on that. And finally, in May here, we launched an auto-compile feature that saves a lot of time. As you're getting your delivery site set up, you can pop your compile buttons and it just all happens in the background. All right, without further ado, let's take a look at the changelog over the last few months. Here we go. All right, well, let's get started with the Dropbox integration. Most of you know where this is. If you're not familiar with where the Dropbox integration is, I will show you right now. There is a help file on this that the support team did. You're going to go under Media Manager and it's under Import. So check it out. We will be supporting several options down the road. Right now it's Dropbox only, but look for the other ones to light up as time goes on. All right, next up on the list is media only projects. So when you go to create a new project, you're able now to click media delivery only. This is video, this is still photos that you can deliver directly to your customers real easily. These are $3 projects. As we go live with scheduling and payment collection, you'll be able to schedule, collect payment and everything for those projects that you don't necessarily want to include a property website or a virtual tour. On that note, I think I should mention, it must come up at least once a month that people still think that we are charging for the property websites. I'm going to say it again. Since 2019, RTV system, late 2019, the RTV system now creates virtual tours and property websites. The property website allows you to embed the virtual tour in it. It's all included in your tour credit. If you want a vanity domain, we've renamed that down here to custom domains, vanity domains. That's where we buy www.808mainstreet.com and forward it to your property site or your tour. But both the tour and the property site are all inclusive, have been since late 2019. Those of you that haven't logged in a while will love our new universal search. So you can just type in any part of the address or name of the project, the system will search. It'll search anything that it'll search the newest ones first, which is pretty nice. But there's orders, projects, users. Check that out. It's available on every page. So it's available on every single page of the system. Again, helping you really get to where you want to go in the quickest, shortest way possible. So finally, our new delivery site, folks, this is huge. And again, this is going to be really your primary method of delivering your content to your customers. Let's start out with where it's at. So in a project, delivery site can be found under links and deliverables. You'll notice now you've got delivery site, delivery email, and additional links. Additional links are for if you want to deliver a Matterport, Zillow 3D, or something completely separate. You can use the additional links. They will show up in delivery email and delivery site. So you've got different options here that you can choose from. Let's talk about where to set your default. Those of you that have been with us forever, your default is still delivery email, okay? Delivery email, delivery site, where do you set your default? You set it under settings and deliverables. And right here, you're gonna choose your primary method of delivering to your client. So for Blue Lava Media, we use delivery site, and there are settings that you can set. We don't include the flyer, the QR code, the e-brochure, and soon we're going to be launching some of the edge marketing pieces that you've been hearing me talk about, which are social media cards, some really cool new social media video features and stuff. We only include that if they buy our exposure engine at Blue Lava, but it's up to you what you want to deliver, and you can have things turned on by default or off. The hero message banner is pretty cool. That is a message that I'll show you in a minute that lets your customer know, hey, don't share this on social media. This is for really for your eyes only, because it's a delivery site acts as a login. And then you can have your default sizes and all of that. So let's go ahead and go over to projects. So this is, again, this is really your primary way of getting your photos and your media delivered to your customer. There's going to be a lot of upsell opportunities here for your customer. There's a lot to choose from, and you're really able to select what you want to give your customer, what you don't want to give them. It's all possible here. And you flip the switches, you're able to compile your media, you're able to resize your photos, and then obviously the token is available right at the very top. Here's your message. The first thing you're going to notice is the agent's able to edit their profile, saves you a lot of time. This here, for those of you that have been collecting social media platforms, YouTube, About Us, agent information, this saves you a ton of time in collecting that information, as well as property details are all right here: beds, bath, price, square footage. The agent's able to populate all that via delivery site, and it will save it right to the tour, which is why it's important not to share the token link with anyone, and stress that to your customer, hence the warning banner at the top, so they don't post this on social media. They're able to grab their property website links, both branded, non-branded, right from delivery site. You can send them the tiny tour URLs. You can send them the tour embed code. You're going to see the marketing section of this expand as we launch our Edge Marketing Center. Edge Marketing Center is going to have social media cards. It's going to have Instagram and Facebook video distribution instead of just YouTube. So look for all of that to expand, and all of that is going to be available here on delivery site. They can also add people to the traffic report by clicking the add button. They can remove themselves from the traffic report with delivery site. So it saves you a ton of work. The project galleries here, e-brochure, QR codes. They can download video files if you want them to, and download photos. So you're going to see these with padlocks on them as soon as we hook up the payment gateways. So a lot of stuff here. Delivery site is an amazing way for you to get your content and media to your customers. For those of you that are watching this early, we have a show coming up on delivery site. If you want to attend that, I have posted some links on social media, but you can click on the our webinar button in your back manager. That will take you right here. and you can sign up for our new delivery site show that's 5 days away. So hope to see you guys there. That's going to be a really good show. And I believe that the next up on our list is more video time. So let's head back to the Media Manager. I encourage you all to play with this. Play with the messages, play with the settings. Lots here, lots to get excited about. In the Media Manager, those of you that are delivering walkthrough video, drone video, you're going to love our new ability for you to easily add more video time by extending the duration of your you can buy more media, more scenes, and more video time with these two buttons right here. So that was released in April as well. And I think we talked a little bit about the autofill on delivery, but I'll show you where that is. You'll notice as soon as you do a project, whether you use delivery links or delivery site or delivery email, you're going to see the agent is already, or the owner, either one will automatically be populated, saving you some time there. Finally, and you're going to love this, the compiles now all happen in the background for both delivery links and delivery site. So if you're compiling high-res media and you hit the compile button, or you compile resized media and hit compile, that all happens in the background, allowing you to continue working. So a lot of great things there, you guys, and I hope to see everybody on the webinar coming up next week. Stay tuned for lots more updates, and we really appreciate your business and support. Have a great day, and go get them.